Post break-in, I decided to measure and then re-shim the valve springs. So I just finished this passenger side. The driver's side's already done and back together. So now I need to reassemble it. Here's the rockers. They all look pretty damn brand new actually. This is sort of the important stuff here. So this is a really nice valve in engine, like on engine, in car, whatever, valve compressor tool. This thing is awesome. I did buy a different one. I'll show you that in a sec. It didn't work as well as this one, but this is a snap-on, like as you can see there. That is a Lyle thing. You just thread it into the spark plug hole, turn it on, and blast a bunch of air into the cylinder so the valve doesn't fall. And I bought one of these jaw type pullers. This compresses the springs just fine. The valve retainers, little locks, wouldn't come loose. They were frozen into the tops and there was no way to get them to pop. Not a problem with the snap-on tool though. And of course, shim kit. Well, the test drive was pretty successful. Sounds good. It sounded good for a long time though. Yeah, that sounds proper.